All right, hi guys, it's Miss Hill and I'm gonna be reading you the questions to our math test for today. I'm doing it this way so you can pause at any time to stop and do what you need to and then continue to play the video to hear the questions. I wanna know, are you able to do the math equations if I'm reading them to you, right? So pause and play it when you need to. Please write your name on the top left-hand corner and the date. Today's date is 9-27-2024. You should have a highlighter out and your pencil. Number 1, for A, B, C, and D, you are going to compare using greater than, less than, or equal to, and you're going to insert it into these circles. The first thing you'll need to do is convert. These are in word form. These are in number form. You need to get everything to number form. So you should be converting first. This one says 234 thousands plus 7 10,000s compared to 241,000. B says 400,000s minus 2,000s compared to 200,000s. C says 1 million compared to 400,000s plus 600,000s. D says 709,000s minus 100,000 compared to 708,000s. Please pause the video when you are completing these. I'm now going to move on to number 2. This is a word problem and it has multiple steps. You know what to do with multiple steps. Norfolk has a population of 242,628 people. You know what to do. Baltimore has 376,865 more people than Norfolk. You know what to do. Charleston has 496,804 less people than Baltimore. After you figure out what these have, what is the total population of all 3 cities? Keyword. Keywords. Then what you're going to do is you are going to go to B, and it says round to the nearest 100,000 for the population of Charleston. So you take Charleston, you put it down here, whatever you got, and you're going to round it to the nearest 100,000. Then state if your answer is reasonable in comparison to the exact number that you got above. Right here it says record each city's population in numbers, words, and expanded form. Standard form is number form, the normal way we see numbers. Word form, say it out loud and then write it how you hear it. Expanded form, lots of plus signs, lots of zeros. You're doing that for Norfolk. So you got to flip back and say, what did I get for Norfolk? Then flip back and go. Baltimore, flip back, see what you got for Baltimore. Then flip back and write it. And lastly, Charleston. Flip back, what did you get for Charleston? Flip back, write it. Then the last question says, compare the population of Norfolk. So whatever you wrote here should go here, and Charleston. Whatever you wrote here should go here. And use the symbol to tell me which one is greater than. All right, do your best. Thank you. Turn it into the tray when you're done.